Hi, it's Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we're gonna make nice maintenance videos about the Alpha models. Let's see how we do it. In today's video I want to show you how to change this bushing on the top here, which is in here. In the previous video I showed you already how to change this part, and I want to show you a couple of things. It's relatively easy, but there can be complications, so come a bit closer. You have this hole here, and by me this is still perfectly round. So by me, as you saw, the hole was still perfectly round. It can be that somebody worn out this bushing and drive on, and this aluminium made already kind of slot in the carbon fiber. If that happens, then it's a little bit more difficult. Then you have to laminate something back there, and otherwise it's just pushing this bushing from the top in and putting assembly everything back. Check a bit which version you have. We have made over the years a couple of different versions. Check the exploded views on the website, and that's it. If you like the video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe, let a comment behind, and see you next time. Bye bye.